Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to launch your Netflix from laptop or PC. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Netflix is one of the most popular streaming platforms, offering an extensive collection of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. Whether you're new to Netflix or net refresher, here's a simple guide to login into your Netflix account on your laptop or PC. It's very simple. First, you don't need to install the app on your PC. You can just log in on the Netflix using the browser. You can open your browser and search for Netflix. Now you can just choose in here Netflix. You can, if you have already have account, you can sign in. But if you want to sign up, you can just click on Get Started. I will try to sign in. Already have. Now you can enter your mobile phone number or email that you use on Netflix. We'll enter my email. You can enter your password. Click on sign in. Now you have enter your Netflix. You can open your profile and start watching in here. It's very simple, right? You can watch like the TV shows, movies. You can even search for games. Maybe you want to see movies, series. You can watch in here. It's very simple, right? And if you want to log out, you can just click on your profile and click on sign out. It's very simple, right? So that is how to log in on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!